Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're using HilltopAds and looking to increase your earnings with the direct link feature, you're in the right place. In today's video, we'll explore the top 3 most effective methods to maximize your ad revenue. Alright, let's jump right in. HilltopAds is a powerful advertising network that helps website owners monetize their traffic efficiently. If you haven't registered yet, click the link below to start earning income. Once you've created your account, simply log in and follow the easy steps to begin optimizing your revenue. Once you're logged into the dashboard, start by navigating to the Manage Site and Zone section. From there, click on the Direct Link tab, which will give you access to specific settings and tools to optimize your direct ad placements for maximum revenue. To create new direct link ads, simply click on Add Direct Link. HilltopAds offer 2 categories of content: mainstream content, suitable for all audiences with no age restrictions, offering a wide variety of general content, and non-mainstream content, adult content intended for mature viewers only, with age restrictions in place for compliance. Once you have carefully selected your desired ad category, the next step is to give your direct link a unique and descriptive name. After naming your direct link, simply click the Add Direct Link button to complete the process and start integrating the ads on your website. After successfully creating your ads, navigate to the Ad Management section, find the specific ad you want to use, and carefully copy the generated ad code to implement it on your website. Integrating this into your site is a simple and seamless process. We'll walk you through each step one by one, ensuring everything is set up correctly and efficiently. To monetize an image with your HilltopAds direct link, click on the image in the editor or pop-up, select the link option, paste your direct link into the URL field, and press Enter. Now, anyone who clicks the image will be redirected through your ad link. Next, add a clear call to action, CTA, button to your post. Insert your HilltopAds direct link into the button so that when visitors click it, they are redirected to the ad content. This increases engagement and boosts your ad revenue. You can even maximize your monetization strategy by turning the text within your blog posts or website content into clickable hyperlinks. To do this, simply highlight the specific words or phrases you want to use, insert your HilltopAds direct link, and ensure the link is properly embedded. Once you've completed your setup, don't forget to save all the changes you've made. Whenever a visitor interacts with the images, buttons, or text you have strategically converted into clickable hyperlinks, they are seamlessly redirected to the ads you have placed on your website. Each click and impression generated through these interactions contributes directly to your earnings on HilltopAds. This approach maximizes your revenue potential by capitalizing on both user engagement and ad visibility. By thoughtfully embedding these links across your website, you not only increase ad traffic, but also optimize the overall monetization of your platform, ensuring sustained and profitable results. One of the most rewarding aspects of HilltopAds is its generous referral program. When you refer an active user to the platform, you earn a 5% commission on their earnings. This means that not only do you benefit from your own ad revenue, but you also get a share of the revenue generated by the users you bring on board. The more people you invite to join HilltopAds, the more you can earn, creating an excellent opportunity for passive income. It's a win-win situation. You expand your network, and as your referrals thrive, your earnings grow. If you're new here and looking for a detailed, step-by-step tutorial on how to verify your website with HilltopAds and set up every type of ad format on your site, I've got you covered. Be sure to check out the playlist link below, where I walk you through the entire process from start to finish to ensure you're maximizing your ad revenue. Don't miss out on any tips or tricks to make the most of your advertising efforts. See you in the next video.